We're courtside in the world of Word, and today's matchup is you versus that ugly, unformatted document. Let's get right to it. First play, selection. You don't score if you don't have the ball, and Word doesn't change a thing unless it's highlighted. Click and drag over a word, a line, a whole page, or hit Ctrl+A and grab everything. Now you're ready to run the offense. Next, the font game on the Home tab. In the font group, you're picking your look, new font style, bigger or smaller size, fresh color. Tap B for bold, I for italics, U for underline. Use them like a sharpshooter, controlled, precise, only when it matters. Now we shift to spacing and alignment. In the paragraph group, decide your formation, left, center, right, or fully justified across the page. Then hit line spacing, give those sentences a little breathing room, and suddenly that dense block of text reads like a smooth fast break. Got multiple points? Turn them into a list. Bullets for general notes, numbers when order is key. Hit those buttons, tweak the styles, and your content instantly looks organized and intentional. And the closer, styles. Normal, heading 1, heading 2, apply them and your whole document snaps into a unified game plan. Change one style later, everything updates. That's how you turn Word chaos into a formatting blowout.